रहीम तमाम व्यूअर्स को पैगाम सिंध ऑफिशियल की तरफ से अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। इस वीडियो में हम डिफरेंट थ्योरीज इन एजुकेशन के 70 शॉर्ट एमसीक्यूज़ को डिस्कस करेंगे। इससे पहले हम पेडागोजी की प्लेलिस्ट अलग कर चुके हैं और उसमें डिफरेंट वीडियोस हम अपलोड कर रहे हैं और टाइम टू टाइम हम और वीडियोस अपलोड करेंगे ताकि आपको एक पूरा सिलेबस टीचिंग लाइसेंस और टीचिंग टेस्ट के हवाले से हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे और फेसबुक के पेज पे ही मिल जाए। तो चलें हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। Theory of education emphasizes the role of observable behavior and external stimuli in learning. So that is called option number A, behaviorism. Next question है, which theory in education focuses on the idea that learning occurs through interactions with the environment and that knowledge is constructed by learners. So that is constructivism, option number B. Next question, according to the theory, learning is viewed as a process of acquiring, modifying mental structures and schemas. So that is option number D, cognitism. And next question, which theory emphasizes personal growth, self actualization, and the importance of individual choice and responsibility in education? So that is option number C, humanism. Next question, this theory posits that learning occurs through observing and imitating others, and it emphasizes on the role of modeling in education. So that is called social learning theory. Question number 6 है यहाँ पे, which theory focuses on understanding unconscious desires and conflicts that shape behavior and personality. So that is called psychoanalysis. Next question, question number 7 है, this theory suggests that individuals go through stages of moral development, progressing from pre-conventional to post-conventional morality. That is called option number D, moral development theory. Next question, number 8 है, according to the theory, individuals construct their understanding of the world through experiences such as assimilation and accommodation. So that is called constructivism. Number 9 है यहाँ पे, which theory emphasizes the role of cultural tools, language, and social interactions in cognitive development. So that is called social constructivism. Option number C. Next question number 10 है, this theory focuses on the influence of the environment and social factors on learning, advocate for the importance of context in educational settings. This is called social learning theory. Option number A. Next question, which theory in education emphasizes the role of motivation, emotions, and personal beliefs in learning? So that is called humanism. Option number B. Question number 12 है, this theory proposes that intelligence is not a single fixed attribute but encompasses multiple forms such as linguistic, spatial, and interpersonal intelligences. So that is called multiple intelligences theory. Question number 13 है, which theory focuses on understanding the stage of cognitive development in children, including s- sensory motor, pre-operational, operational, and formal operational stages. So that is called cognitive development theory. Next question. According to this theory, individuals progress through stages of psychosocial development with each stage characterized by a specific crisis or challenge. So that is called psychosocial development theory. Next question, question number 15 है, which theory emphasizes the importance of understanding unconscious desires and conflicts that shape behavior and personality. So that is called psychoanalysis. Next question. This theory posits that individuals construct their understanding of the world through experiences such as assimilation and accommodation. So that is called constructivism. Next question है, which theory in education focuses on the role of cultural tools, language, and social interaction in cognitive development? So that is called social constructivism. Next question. According to this theory, learning is viewed as a process of acquiring, modifying mental states or schemes. So that is called cognitism. Next question. Question number 19 है, this theory emphasizes personal growth, self-actualization, and importance of individual choice, responsibility in education. So that is called humanism. Question number 20 here. Which theory suggests that learning occurs through observing and imitating others, and it emphasizes the role of modeling in education? So that is called social learning theory. Question number 21 है. According to this theory, individuals go through the stages of moral development, progressing from pre-conventional to post-conventional morality. So it's called moral development theory. दोस्तों जैसे ही आप ये एमसीक्यूज पढ़ते जाएंगे तो आपको एक आइडिया हो जाएगा कि कौन सा ऑप्शन सही है. जब आप थोड़ा सा उसको ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो आपको जवाब यहीं ही मिल जाएगा. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 22 है. दिस थ्योरी proposes that intelligence is not a single uh, fixed attribute but encompasses multiple forms such as linguistic, spatial, and interpersonal intelligences. So that is called multiple intelligences theory. Next, which theory focuses on understanding the stages of cognitive development in children, including sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete, operational, and formal operational stages. This is called cognitive development theory. Next question. This theory, individuals progress through stages of psychosocial development, with each stage characterized by a specific crisis or challenge. So that is called psychosocial development theory. So next question है. Which theory emphasizes the importance of understanding unconscious desires and conflict that shape the behavior and personality? That is called social psychoanalysis. और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 26 पे. दिस थ्योरी पोस्ट दैट इंडिविजुअल कंस्ट्रक्ट देयर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द वर्ल्ड थ्रू देयर एक्सपीरियंसेस सच एज एसिमिलेशन एंड अकोमोडेशन. तो दैट इज कंस्ट्रक्टिविज्म. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच थ्योरी इन एजुकेशन फोकसेस ऑन द रोल ऑफ कल्चरल टूल्स. कल्चरल टूल्स वाली जो भी आपको क्वेश्चन आएगा उसमें सोशल कंस्ट्रक्टिविज्म ही उसका जवाब होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस थ्योरी, learning is viewed as a process of acquiring and modifying mental structures or schemas. So that is called cognitivism. Next question 29 पे है. This theory emphasizes the personal growth, self-actualization, and the importance of individual choice and responsibility in education. So that is called humanism. Next question है. Which theory suggests that learning occurs through the observing and imitating others and emphasizing role of modeling in education? So that is called social learning theory. Next question. According to this theory, individuals go through stages of moral development, progressing from pre-conventional to post-conventional morality. So that's called moral development theory. Or next question है. This theory possesses that intelligence is not a single. तो intelligence का जिसमें भी आए single भी word आए तो वो होगी multiple intelligence theory के concerning. Next question है 33 पे. Which theory focuses on understanding the stages of cognitive development in children? तो cognitive जो भी आएगी जो development वाली होगी वो उसमें cognitive development theory involve होगी, because that is जो तब फॉर्म अप होती है जब आपका इंडिविजुअल आपकी जो लर्निंग स्टेज होती है चाइल्डहुड की. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अकॉर्डिंग टू साइको सोशल थ्योरी में आप जो है प्रोग्रेस करते हैं साइको सोशल डेवलपमेंट, और हर एक स्टेज आपकी किसी न किसी चैलेंज या क्राइसिस के साथ हुई होती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 36 पे है. This theory posits that individuals construct their understanding of the world through their experiences such as assimilation and accommodation. So that is constructivism. Next question. Which theory in education focuses on the role of cultural tools like language and social interaction in cognitive development? So that is called social constructivism. Next, according to this theory, learning is viewed as a process of acquiring and modifying mental structures or schemas. So that is called cognitivism. Or next question, 69. The theory emphasizes personal growth, self-actualization, and the importance of individual choice and responsibility in education. So that is called humanism. And next question. Which theory suggests that learning occurs through observing and imitating others and emphasizes the role of modeling in education? So that is called social learning theory. जी दोस्तों, तो यहाँ पे हमारा जो डिफरेंट थ्योरीज इन एजुकेशन का सॉल्व एमसीक्यूज का सेट नंबर 2 कंप्लीट हो चुका है यहाँ पे. और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम एक नए टॉपिक के साथ हाजिर होंगे। हमें अपनी फीडबैक से आगाह कीजिएगा। वी नीड सजेशंस टू इम्प्रूव आवर सेल्फ। और अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखिएगा। दुआ में याद। अल्लाह हाफिज़।